Welcome back to Casey's Crazy Ideas. Today we are going to be installing a new used cable on our winch. We're going to actually take it off of this winch here. This winch here is, the motor's burned up. Tried jumping a few different ways, doesn't work. So I'm going to take this cable off, we're going to put it on our small trailer. That way there, it'll have another cable. So the cable that's on that trailer is down to the last 3 or 4 strands before it, snaps off and goes either in somebody's face or whatever you're pulling up, goes back off the trailer or something. It's all bad. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to probably bring it up here on the workbench, get the cable off, and then we'll go in the trailer, get the box emptied out, and try to get the cable unspooled off of that one and see how we have to reattach, and hopefully it fits. If it don't fit, then try and patch that cable maybe, or have to go to Harbor Freight and buy a new winch, because sometimes the winch is cheaper to buy than just the cable. So, well, let me get some stuff set up and I'll bring you back. Alright, so I put the hook in the vise, and I got this thing, pretty sure it's in free spool. I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to try and make this unspool. So I'm going to try and set you guys up. I don't think this cable is the same length as the one on ours. I want to say this cable, I don't know, 40 or so feet. Not exactly sure, but our garage is somewhere around 20 feet deep. So I think this cable's 30 feet. So, I don't know, like that. It's set screwed in that holds that, and it's a flat head. I don't know if you guys, if I can be able to show you this or not. Maybe you can see that right there. With a flat head screw. We'll try and get that out. Finish pulling this cable off. Like I said, the winch is junk anyways. So even if I can't use it on this trailer, I'm sure I could use it on something else. Apparently there's 2 set screws. That's off. I'm going to chop that off. I'm not keeping the winch, that can go in the strap. One thing I do want to see is if this controller box here, if it actually still functions, then I can actually use this controller box to operate one of the other ones that I have here. We'll just finish stripping this down real quick, and we'll throw the rest of it out, and we'll go go back to the original part of the video. This part we will keep. You can always use a pair of leading plates. The tractor that we had put all that winch and everything on, I probably put a link in the video. It doesn't have a controller for the winch right now, so I either have to buy the controller for it, which is $40, or I try and see if I can, if this still works, we'll just use this one to run it, because it's a similar design. I think this is a 3,000 pound one, that one's like, I think 2,500. So, should be more than adequate to run it. There we have it. I mean, even if a relay's bad or something, I can always do that and duct tape this cover on or something. I mean, that would be in another video for that. No, I'm not keeping these because we couldn't mount it to the winch like it is, only because, I'll show you the video, but you'll never get that on there. This thing is cocked in there. So there's this, and then the controller. There's the controller, and out, and this just plugs into this. This just goes in the scrap bin, that's over there, and our next step is to go in the little trailer. Alright, so we're at the little trailer, and here's the old winch cable. This one's wireless. As you can see, it's braking. So let's see if I can find out where the brake is. Gonna inspect the rest of the cable and see if it's worth changing, because the other cable is only about 30 feet, and I'm pretty sure this one's 50 or 60. Because our trailer is 14 feet long to start with, not including the ramp. So you figure I'm going to have half the winch cable that other line is before I even get to the end of the trailer. So I might just see if I can't buy a repair kit to fix this winch line. But we'll inspect all of it and see what it looks like. I don't know about you all, but I didn't see any other bad spots in this cable. I mean, I got a couple of kinks, but I'm not too concerned about those. They're not broke, they're just kinks. So I'm thinking about just finding a repair kit, you know, unless you guys know of a good way to do this or a product you've used. It's 5/16 or something aircraft cable, and probably come back here, and we're probably going to lose, I don't know, whatever this is, 3-4 feet of line, but I mean, the rest of this cable is not too bad. You know, like I said, there's kinks along the way in here. I mean, we got one here and stuff, but I don't care about kinks. It looks like it started breaking right here. So we'll probably come back, you know, another couple feet, and then try and maybe get a different hook and reattach. This cable is, this cable will do this trailer 4 times compared to that other one. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a half-assed re-spool here. I try not to use cuss words, but it happens. I'm trying to set you up if I can. Sit here, and we're gonna re-spool. Back when I get close. up to the bad spot. Try and squish it back the other way a little bit here. Okay. That's better. That was like $12 for that.
I have a picture of that. Oh, that's not gonna crimp these.
That's for like your,
Yeah.
like I have a fence around my porch or something.
Yeah, I was in no hurry to trust the RPM guy. Check it all out.
Alright, well, let's test it and see if it's gonna hold. I guess that's a good thing. Alright, let's not rip the thing out of the trailer.